Salam alaikum. Bojan is our father, excellent guy. Since I met him in the videos, unfortunately we never met each other in person. Inshallah one day. The first thing which actually drove me to him was this idea of humanity first, and someone who's been through the wars and unfortunately lost many members of family and were displaced all over the world for many years. Humanity first and refugee land appeals to me on so many levels, and the fight for the minority groups wherever they can. I can see the slander coming up from really uneducated people. That's what you can say, because they just look like parrots. They repeat one and the same kind of thing without researching anything, without actually going into depths. They just saying half truths, as most of the people on internet bloggers or whatever. I got my degree in journalism in Sydney back in 2002, and God actually sent me that I was always in the music, and I never went into politics because it's always scarce, especially from our countries. But Abu Hashim and really showed us that there is a different way of looking at things, that we can all work together, that we can follow God's wise chair and actually let God decide who is the one. Not as in the case of Jesus salam, when he was on the trial, he may choose barabas. That's where we get the term baraba, or the really bad guy. Baraba is in the Slav language really popular term to say to someone who is unfair, unjust, and actually the devil himself. Nothing but love, nothing but sincerity, immense knowledge, calm, cultured person, and somebody you can learn so much from. So he's a teacher, he's a friend, he's a father, he's fresh of the breath here compared to all of those non-working scholars and the people who rather take their arms in their hands and kill their neighbors. He wants opposite of that. He wants the poor to be recognized. He wants kids to go without being hungry, without water, widows to be taken care of. New son from the west he is, because if you expect the sun to come from the west, that's basically not possible if you think about it logically. So he's the son of the east and the west, and that's Imam of our time. You can follow him or not, that's up to you, but please, same as we do not slander people who we don't understand and don't know anything about, we first research before I say anything. I hope you take this to heart, do the research, and I can just tell you, God bless. From Bojan here in Croatia, send a big hello to all of my brothers and sisters all around the world, Europe, especially our Balkan region, which went through so much trouble, but you can see that we all together. And this is a call which united us as well, so let's go forward. Abu Sadiq, thank you.